Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Mailchimp account to your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Mailchimp to Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your students or your customers and leads. And by linking your Mailchimp to Teachable, you can automatically add your students into your Mailchimp list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Mailchimp account, here on the left side, you're going to click on App Hub. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a list of various apps, but you want to scroll down until you see the Mailchimp logo. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, they're going to give you a little bit of information about connecting your Mailchimp to Teachable. But you want to click on this turquoise button here on the top right, install. Okay, next, in order for this to work, this pop-up's going to happen. So Teachable's going to ask for your API key and then also your Mailchimp audience ID. So let me jump on over to my Mailchimp and show you how to find that. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Mailchimp account. So in order to get your API key here on the top right, click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and click on account and billing. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this menu here along the top, but you want to click on extras. Once you do that, you want to click on API keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see your API keys, and you can go ahead and create a key right here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and name this Teachable and generate key. Okay, now we have an API key right here. So you can copy it to your clipboard, and we'll go back here to Teachable, and we're going to paste the API key here. Okay, next we need to get the audience ID. So I'm going to go back here to my Mailchimp. Okay, in order to get your audience ID here on the left, you're going to click on audience. Okay, once you click on the audience, you're going to see this menu here, overview, manage audience, but you want to click on settings here on the right. Okay, once you click on audience settings, you're going to scroll down until you see this audience ID. Go ahead and copy that number. Okay, now it's copied. We're going to come back over here to Teachable. Okay, once you're here in Teachable, go ahead and paste in the audience ID. All right, once it's pasted in, go ahead and click on install. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back here in Teachable. And now you can see up here on the top right, this button says uninstall. So now my Mailchimp is connected into my Teachable. So there you have it, guys. Now your Mailchimp is set up with your Teachable. So anytime you add a student into your Teachable, it's automatically going to be added into the audience in your Mailchimp. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Mailchimp to your Teachable, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.